With the market currently declining in value, some of the bears will say that we have another depression coming. In this video, I'll show you some of the stocks that I'm buying today despite all of this news. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Romel, and on this channel we talk about all things related to finance, investing, and building wealth. We talk about mindsets, strategies, and techniques to help you in your journey to build wealth. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. We produce new quality content every week. At the end of the video, I'll be showing you one metric that I look at when I buy my stocks. I invested around $250 today into two of my portfolios. The first one was M1 Finance, and the second is my Robinhood account. For my M1 Finance account, you guys know, if you've been following along, that once you set your pie and the shares you want for each stock, it automatically does the investing for you. Today I put a $100 deposit into that account. If you haven't yet, go take a look at my May portfolio recap. I show you all the stocks I'm currently investing in and how much return I saw in the month of May. So for my Robinhood stocks, this is a more tailored approach. One difference between M1 Finance and Robinhood is that M1 Finance is what they call a robo-advisor. What this means is that you put money in and it automatically invests it for you. It's not a robo-advisor in the general sense. Usually, robo-advisors will ask you what type of investment strategy you like to use: moderate, conservative, or risky. M1 Finance doesn't do this. What it does, it allows you to pick the individual stocks that you put into your pie. Once you have the pie set with the allocation you want for each individual stock, it automatically splits your money for you. Again, one of the reasons that I recommend this is that it's great for beginners because it allows you to buy stocks at fractional shares. Robinhood, on the other hand, doesn't do this type of robo-investing. It's a more traditional brokerage in the sense that you tell it how many shares you want to buy of a stock and it buys it. The first stock I bought was SPHD. This is the PowerShares S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF. What I like about this ETF is that it has a high dividend yield. It has 5.19%. The second stock I bought was the SPYD. This is the SPDR Portfolio S&P 500 High Dividend ETF. This also has a high dividend yield at 5.93%. The third stock I bought was FIVG. Although this doesn't have a high dividend yield at only 0.9%, this is a great stock to invest in for future growth. On next week's video, I'll be talking about why I like this ETF, and I'll give you some background on some of the companies within it. The last and final stock I bought was NOBL. Although this stock has a relatively low dividend yield at 2.18%, this is a great ETF to start investing in dividend aristocrats. For those of you that don't know or haven't watched some of my other videos, go take a look at my channel. I tell you why investing in dividend aristocrats are some of the best ways to start dividend investing. In the beginning, I mentioned one metric that you should be tracking, or that I like to track when I buy my stocks. That metric goes hand in hand with trackyourdividends.com. For those of you that haven't watched my other video, it's a 100% free dividend tracker. Although there's a premium version, you don't need that to start tracking your dividends. In my other video, I go into great detail on trackyourdividends.com. That video has my account, which includes all of my stocks. If you want to see how the stocks you're going to buy or have bought affect your portfolio in terms of annual passive income that you'll be making, then you should make a separate account. That way you're not affecting all of the stocks that you're tracking on your main account. By having a secondary account, you can just put these 4 stocks into it, and before you buy, you can see how much money you'll be making. As you can see from my trackyourdividends.com report, I spent $154 on these 4 stocks. From that, I increased my annual income that I'd be making by $5. This is one way you can start to think about how you buy your stocks and when you buy them. Trackyourdividends.com is a great place to check when you start investing in dividend issuing stocks. Alright, that's all I had for this video. As you can see, this week I spent around $254. I put $100 towards my M1 Finance account, and that gets automatically allocated into the stocks that I've chosen when I created my pie. The other $154 was split amongst 4 stocks, all of them with dividend yields. Those 4 stocks added a total of $5 to my annual income that I'm receiving from dividends. Alright guys, that's all we have for this video. Let me know how you would spend your $154 and what type of metrics you're looking at when you buy your stocks. If you haven't yet, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. We're a new and growing YouTube channel that produces content every week. Anything you can do to support us is greatly appreciated. If you'd like to connect with me on other social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, I'll leave links in the description down below. Also, if you haven't started an M1 Finance or Robinhood account yet, I'll leave links in the description. For M1 Finance, if you use the referral link, once you fund it with $100, both you and I will get $10 to use in our investments. As far as Robinhood, if you open an account using the referral link, both you and I will get one free stock. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.